Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Dewi Sri Kuning as my lecturer in this subject, cross-culture understanding. I will introduce our group. We are from group 6. The material is about everyday manner, USA, polite manner. I'm Armi Sugitriani as moderator and first presenter, Anissa Oktariani as second presenter, Alfia Fiddini as third presenter, and the last presenter is Rizka Cahaya Ramadhani. Okay, I will explain my material. It's about everyday manner, USA polite manner. In everyday manner, USA polite manner, there are 9 items. First is eye contact, second is greeting or parting company, third is table manner and restaurant etiquette, four is about bar and nightlife etiquette, five is cell phones, six is leaning up, seven is smoking, eight is general decorum, nine is dress. Okay, I will explain. First item is about eye contact. In American culture, someone is considered polite and sincere if they speak directly to make eye contact with their interlocutor, and it is considered rude if someone stares and comments on someone's body. Next is second item about greeting or parting company. Generally, when people who are not well acquainted with each other meet or part company, it is considered polite to shake hands. Refusing to shake an offered hand is likely to be interpreted as rude. When shaking hands, a firm but not tight grip is preferred. Simply placing your hand in the hand of the other person is considered to be an ill manner and insecure handshake. Also, kissing the cheeks of an American is may take them off guard and lead to major awkwardness. I think enough from my material. Okay, the next item will present by Anissa Oktariani as second presenter. Times is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis Oktariani. I'm from English Education 7th semester. I'm a second presenter. In here, I will explain the material about C table manners and restaurant etiquette, D bar and nightlife etiquette, and E cell phones. Okay, the material about table manner and restaurant etiquette. There are 8 of table manner American typical. The first, when eating, to clean your finger and mouth using a napkin that is placed on your lap. Second, saying no thanks is accepted for refusing the additional meal offered. Third, leaving a small amount of uneaten food on your plate at a restaurant or at home. Fourth, people in the United States serve and eat food with both hands. Fifth, American typical use forks, spoons, and knives to eat, but there are some types of food that are acceptable to eat with one finger, like sandwich or pizza. 6. When starting to eat, you should wait until the oldest woman or the oldest man in, if no woman or peasant starting eating. 7. When consuming soap and hot liquids, it's considered impolite to slurp. Do not do this. And the last, when consuming noodles, twirl them around your fork and then put in your mouth. Okay, the next material about restaurant etiquette. There are four rest of restaurant etiquette American typical. The first, if you are eating in a restaurant, you will be accepted to add a 15 to 20% tip for the server to you bill. Second, uh, in American wait staff might occasionally stop by your table to ask how your meal is, which is considered good service. The third, they will also bring your check when it seems reasonable that you are finished with your meal. And the last, if there's a line of people waiting at the door to eat, it is rude to linger at your table as long as you like. And next, material about the bar and nightlife etiquette. There are three bar and nightlife etiquettes, American typical. The first, it's customary to leave a small tip on the bar for each drink ordered, usually around one each. And the second, if you plan to have several drinks, you can leave your credit card with the bartender for future rounds, commonly called opening a tab, and then pay for all your drinks when you are ready to leave. And the last, if you some offers a drink, especially a woman, it shows that you are attractive and you can turn it down by saying no thanks. And the last material, cell phones. American typical, when making a receiving a call in a public place with the exception of some public transportation, it is polite to move away from people who can hear the conversation. It is seen as very inconsiderate to carry on the telephone conversation in a loud voice in public, in particular restaurant, office, museum, and shops. In places like theaters, concerts, and cinemas, it is customary to turn off one's cell phones altogether. Patrons who do not abide by this rule may be asked to leave, and management will not refund your ticket. Okay, I think enough for my material. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks for Anissa Oktariani. The next presenter is Alfia Fidini. Times is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfia Fidini. I'm from group 6. I will explain about leaning up, smoking, and general decorum. F. Leaning up. Forming a play in the United States from is most common for counter service where food, certificate, or service must be bought and multiple people must be served at once. It is customary to form a line in front of the register and one to be served. Passing past other and jostling in a free for all is not acceptable, nor is cutting in front of someone who is waiting. G. Smoking. American has little tolerance for smokers who violate the smoking bans due to concerns about secondhand smoke dangers. 1. Smokers are also often restricted from being within 15 feet or 4 and 5 meters of an entrance to a building. So smokers often avoiding standing distance from smoking. 2. American smoker must never walk while smoking. Walking with a little children considered rude. 3. People in the USA are not expecting someone to be carrying hot embers, head embers, chill, face level, and if you are walking with cigarette, you magnify you have born someone. 4. Always ask if it is okay to smoke in a crowd area before lighting up. H. General decorum. Politeness is a habit behavior to respect other people competitively. In the USA, general decency of its citizens is said to be stable, but not with matters of discrimination and harassment of women. For the language of the people there will live in the territory of America. It is not called in America, but the name of their place of origin. For example, a Mexican who are America, they are called Mexican people, not America. Okay, I think enough.
And the last presenter is Rizka Cahya Ramadhani. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Cahya Ramadhani. The title of my presentation about everyday manners, USA polite manner. Material section, dress and others. Dress in terms of how to dress in some countries. It is certainly different. For example, in America, people dressing openly is a common thing in their country, and it is considered polite and is their daily habit. While for other countries, it is not certain that even other countries consider open wear not was polite, but not for America. And in all forms of public transport, people, men especially, are expected to give up their seat for the elderly, disabled, pregnant, or for those with small children. Not doing so is considered extremely close. Although in some places it is becoming commonplace not to do so. Littering makes one seem low class, as does blasting your music, whether from a portable device or from a home stereo. So does excessive cursing. I think enough
From our presentation and our explanation. Thanks your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.